Launchinga Startup can be an exhilarating journey filled with promise and challenges. Whether you're driven by a brilliant idea, a passion for innovation, or a desire for financial independence, starting a business as a startup requires careful planning and execution. In this guide, we'll walk you through 10 essential steps to help you kickstart your entrepreneurial dream. Step 1. Define your vision. Before diving into the specifics, it's crucial to have a clear vision of what your business aims to achieve. What problem does it solve, and how does it create value? Your vision will serve as your North Star throughout the startup process. Step 2. Conduct market research. In-depth market research is the cornerstone of a successful startup. Identify your target audience, understand their needs, and assess your competition. This information will shape your product or service and your marketing strategy. Step 3. Create a business plan. Draft a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, strategies, and financial projections. A well-structured plan will not only guide your actions, but also attract potential investors or lenders. Step 4. Legal structure and registration. Choose a legal structure for your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Register your business, obtain the necessary permits and licenses, and ensure you're compliant with local and federal regulations. Step 5. Secure funding. Determine your startup costs and explore funding options. This might include personal savings, loans, venture capital, or crowdfunding. Securing adequate funding is crucial for a smooth launch. Step 6. Develop a minimum viable product MVP. Rather than creating a fully featured product or service, start with an MVP. It's a scaled-down version that allows you to test your concept, gather user feedback, and make improvements iteratively. Step 7. Build your brand. Your brand identity should reflect your vision and resonate with your target audience. Develop a compelling logo, website, and marketing materials to establish a strong online and offline presence. Step 8. Marketing and promotion. Craft a marketing strategy that leverages digital and traditional channels. Social media, content marketing, SEO, and paid advertising can help you reach your audience effectively. Step 9. Hire and assemble your team. Growing your business often means expanding your team. Hire individuals who align with your company's culture and bring diverse skills to the table. A dedicated and talented team is your most valuable asset. Step 10. Launch and iterate. Finally, launch your startup to the world. Be prepared for setbacks and challenges, but remember that entrepreneurship is an ongoing journey. Continuously gather user feedback, adapt to market changes, and iterate your business model to ensure long-term success. Starting a business as a startup is a thrilling endeavor, but it demands meticulous planning and dedication. By following these 10 steps, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of entrepreneurship and increase your chances of building a successful and sustainable business. Join our growing community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about your business growth. Hit that like button if you found this video valuable. Leave a comment to share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content delivered right to your YouTube feed. Your support fuels our mission to provide you with the best content possible.